Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is today I will grab this table topic from ChatGPT. Let me get that. So I'm writing, give me some random table topic for practice. Okay, so the topic is artificial intelligence and society. So I work in this artificial intelligence field, and it's a great topic to talk about because there are a lot of things that are is happening right now, and a lot of people have many apprehensions about it, that what AI could do. Is AI going to replace humans? What are the capabilities? Just if you guys haven't checked out ChatGPT, do check out. It's amazing. So coming back to the topic, how it will impact the society. So the way I think about it as that if we go back in the history, there have been many revolutions, industrial revolution, and each time when we had something new, we had created different set of jobs. We moved on better jobs. We moved on to do creative stuff. So I do not see this time also different from that. I think yes, jobs are going to be less because of this thing, because now one person can do like two, 2 to 5 people's job, and but it doesn't mean that the jobs are going to be less. There are going to be created different sets of jobs, and there is also a human factor about it. Second thing I want to talk about it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe people don't know about it, the capabilities of it. Maybe someday that it could do like 100 people's job. Then what will happen then? So regarding that, I have a very little to expect from the corporates, because anything corporates are very profit centric people. They won't hesitate to fire entire team if they find they can be replaced with a machine. Recently, I got to know that there was a founder, and he used to talk about anything in Twitter, like they are doing great things. These human things, don't, most people don't talk about that. And recently, he talked in a thread that the company fired the complete customer support team because they moved on to AI system and the response went down or something like that. That was bullshit. And the way I think is because the company was struggling and they wanted to paint a different picture, and they had mm, to lay off. So in those kinds of things, I expect a little bit transparency and honesty and emotions as well, because it's going to be very hard if you just lay off like lakhs of people and lakhs of people going to be replaced. The idea should be to reduce, to minimize this impact on people. So that's the direction that we should take. But in the long term, what I think is AI is going to be co-pilot for you, not the pilot itself. So it is going to enable you to do more things, more stuff. So let's embrace it and try to work with it, try to learn it, try to understand it. So that is going to be very beneficial. Thank you. Over to you.